Ever thought you could enjoy desserts while managing your diabetes? Welcome to Sweet Eats, where we debunk the myth that sweetness is off-limits for diabetics. Many believe that diabetes and desserts are mortal enemies, but with the right ingredients and knowledge, they can be the best of friends. Yes, you heard that right. Diabetic-friendly desserts do exist, and they are as tempting and satisfying as any other dessert. Stay tuned to explore the world of diabetic-friendly desserts. Before diving into diabetic-friendly desserts, let's take a moment to understand what diabetes is. It's a condition that affects the way your body uses food for energy. Normally, the sugar you take in is digested and broken down into a simple sugar known as glucose. Glucose is then ferried around your body in your bloodstream and your cells use it for energy. Now here's where insulin comes into play. This hormone, created in the pancreas, is like a key that opens your cells, allowing glucose to enter and be used for energy. If you have diabetes, however, this system doesn't work as it should. In type 1 diabetes, the body doesn't produce insulin. It's as if the key is missing. Without insulin, glucose can't get into the cells, so it stays in the bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. People with type 1 diabetes need to take insulin every day to stay alive. On the other hand, in type 2 diabetes, the body does make insulin, but either it's not enough, or the body isn't using it as it should. Think of it like having a broken key. Either way, the result is similar to type 1 diabetes. Glucose can't get into the cells, so it builds up in the blood. Now, why is this a problem? Well, having too much glucose in your blood can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, kidney damage, and eye problems. And that brings us back to our sweet treats. For people with diabetes, managing sugar intake is a crucial part of managing the disease. Having too much sugar can cause blood glucose levels to spike, which can be dangerous. But here's the sweet part. Having diabetes doesn't necessarily mean you have to give up on desserts entirely. With the right ingredients and preparation, it's possible to enjoy sweet treats without causing your blood sugar levels to skyrocket. Managing sugar intake becomes crucial for diabetics, but does that mean no more desserts? Stay tuned to find out more about diabetic-friendly desserts that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Remember, it's all about balance. Imagine enjoying your favorite dessert without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, it isn't. The clever science behind diabetic-friendly desserts makes it possible. But how exactly? Let's delve into it. The magic lies in three key components: natural sweeteners, fiber, and low glycemic ingredients. Starting with natural sweeteners, these are the heroes that allow desserts to maintain their sweetness without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. They are derived from plants and fruits like stevia and monk fruit, and they have a negligible effect on blood glucose levels. Now let's talk about fiber. In simple terms, fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood glucose. This is why diabetic-friendly desserts often include ingredients rich in fiber, such as whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Lastly, let's discuss low glycemic ingredients. The glycemic index is a system that ranks food based on how much it raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index like whole grains, legumes, and most fruits and vegetables are less likely to cause blood glucose spikes. Incorporating these ingredients into desserts can make them safer for diabetics. But the science doesn't stop there. There is also a focus on reducing unhealthy fats while incorporating healthier options, like avocado and coconut oil. These fats are not only good for your heart, but also help in controlling blood sugar levels. What's more, portion control plays a crucial role. Even with diabetic-friendly ingredients, overindulging can still lead to blood sugar spikes. Hence, recipes are often designed with portion sizes in mind. So, the next time you see a diabetic-friendly dessert, remember the science that goes into it. It's not just about eliminating sugar, but about cleverly balancing ingredients to create a treat that's both tasty and healthy. Now you see, diabetic-friendly desserts are not only possible, they're delicious too. Let's delve into the key points about diabetic-friendly desserts. Now, the beauty of diabetic-friendly desserts is that they allow you to satisfy your sweet tooth without sending your blood sugar levels soaring. These desserts are typically low in sugar and high in fiber and protein, which helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. They're often made with natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit, which have a lower glycemic index than regular sugar. This means they'll have a less dramatic effect on your blood sugar levels. Imagine enjoying a rich, velvety chocolate mousse or a zesty lemon tart without the guilt or worry. That's the joy of diabetic-friendly desserts. They bring the pleasure of dessert back to those who might have thought they had to give it up. But remember, just because it's a diabetic-friendly dessert doesn't mean it's a free pass to overindulge. Portion control is still key, But what about the benefits? Well, aside from the obvious benefit of being able to enjoy dessert again, these treats also provide nutritional benefits. They often incorporate whole foods, like fruits and nuts, and avoid highly processed ingredients. This means you're not just getting a sweet treat, but also a dose of healthy nutrients. Moreover, these desserts can help to curb cravings and prevent overeating. When you deny yourself the foods you love, you often end up craving them even more. But when you allow yourself a small, controlled portion of a diabetic-friendly dessert, you can satisfy your craving without risking a sugar spike. And the best part? There's a world of diabetic-friendly desserts out there waiting to be explored. From creamy cheesecakes to fruity sorbets, there's something for every palate. With a little creativity and some smart ingredient swaps, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious desserts that won't compromise your health. Remember, the goal is to enjoy sweetness responsibly. Ready to whip up a diabetic-friendly dessert? Let's dive right into a sneak peek of a recipe that's not only easy to prepare but also a treat for your taste buds. Today we're going to walk through a simple yet delightful recipe: the almond and blueberry muffins. These muffins are packed with all the good things: almonds, blueberries, and a dash of cinnamon. The best part? They're sugar-free and perfect for a diabetic diet. The base of our muffins is almond flour, a low-carb, high-fiber flour that's a great substitute for traditional white flour. It's not only nutritious but also adds a subtle nutty flavor to the muffins. Next, we've got blueberries, nature's candy, packed with antioxidants and a sweet tart flavor that's hard to resist. Blueberries are a fantastic fruit choice for diabetics, being low on the glycemic index. To sweeten things up, we're using a natural sweetener like stevia or erythritol. Both are great sugar substitutes that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Lastly, we're adding a hint of cinnamon, a spice known for its potential benefits in managing blood sugar levels. Plus, it gives our muffins a warm, comforting aroma that's simply irresistible. The process is as simple as mixing the dry ingredients, folding in the wet ones, spooning the batter into a muffin tin, and baking until golden. But here's where the real fun begins. This is your canvas, and you can get creative with it. Add in some dark chocolate chips or swap the blueberries for raspberries. Maybe sprinkle some oats on top for a crunchy texture. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you can do all this without worrying about your blood sugar levels. So, are you ready to take control of your sweet tooth? Go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy guilt-free sweetness. Remember, being diabetic doesn't mean you have to miss out on the joys of baking and enjoying a good dessert. It's all about making the right choices and a few clever substitutions. Embrace the world of diabetic-friendly desserts with open arms. It's a realm where sweet indulgence meets mindful eating, a place where flavor doesn't compromise health. Today we've journeyed through the crux of diabetes, delved into the science behind diabetic-friendly desserts, and even got a sneak peek of some mouth-watering recipes. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've touched upon. Understanding diabetes is the first step to managing it. It's not about eliminating sugar entirely, but about balance and moderation. We've learned that diabetic-friendly desserts are not just for those with diabetes. They are for anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle, anyone who wants to enjoy sweet treats without spiking their blood sugar levels. We've also discovered that the science behind these desserts lies in the careful selection of ingredients. Choosing low glycemic foods, using natural sweeteners, and incorporating healthy fats are just some of the ways to create desserts that are not only delicious, but also beneficial to our well-being. Now, it's your turn. Try out these recipes, experiment with flavors, and make your own diabetic-friendly desserts. Share your experiences, your triumphs, and even your flops. Remember, every step taken is a step towards better health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more sweet eats and health tips. Until next time, enjoy your dessert responsibly.